Hello everyone, my name is Aishna. I am the assistant editor at CA Club India, and today we are going to talk about the best book that you can refer to if you wish to stay updated with anything and everything involving GST. So the book I'm talking about is the GST Law and Commentary with Analysis and Procedures by CA Bimal Jain. Mr. Bimal Jain, as you all may know, is the chairman of the Indirect Tax Committee of PhD Chamber of Commerce. The book is the November 2020 edition and thus offers latest updates and amendments on GST. The book extensively covers an in-depth analysis of CGST, SGST, IGST, UTGST, and GST compensation cess laws, along with the rules, notifications, circulars, and clarifications issued thereunder by the Ministry of Finance. The book has been designed in a way that it can be used by professionals, corporates, regulators, and government authorities, etc., for easy and immediate reference. The book is divided into 3 volumes, so let me just give you a quick highlight of all the 3 volumes of the book. So Volume 1 of the book provides you with a detailed commentary on various domains of the GST law. This includes provisions with respect to supply, principles of place of supply, taxable person, reverse charge, exports, imports, TDS and TCS, etc. The book explains these concepts with practical case studies and illustrations so that you can understand it easily and get conceptual clarity. Moreover, this volume also provides a detailed analysis on all important advance rulings and GST judgments, including their impact on taxpayers and professionals. In addition to that, the book also lists effective takeaways and action plan for the smooth sailing of GST. So the volume 2 of the book provides a detailed discussion and tabular presentation of all procedural requirements under GST. This includes registration, payment, invoice, returns, refund, and e-way bill, etc. This volume of the book also contains a manual for GST rate for goods and services and a manual for the goods and services that are exempt under GST. I'm sure this will be extremely handy for professionals and taxpayers. Moreover, the book also provides you with detailed steps on how you can file your GSTR 9 and GSTR 9C as per the latest revised formats. So this book is extremely comprehensive for all the taxpayers, as you can learn how to file GSTR 9 and GSTR 9C yourself. Volume 3 of the book talks about the Constitution's 101st Amendment Act 2016, the CGST, UTGST, IGST and Compensation Cess Act 2017. This is according to the latest amendments announced by the Ministry of Finance. And the book also covers a list of all notifications, circulars, orders and press releases announced by the government. So this was all about the 3 volumes of the book. And as you can understand by now, the book doesn't leave out anything related to GST. It is detailed, it is comprehensive, and it is a thorough analysis of GST. What is even more trustworthy about the book is that it has been authored by CA Bimal Jain, who's an absolute expert in the field of indirect taxation. So this, in my opinion, is the best book for GST. And if you wish to get your copy, then do check out the link given below in the description box. Moreover, if you buy this book from CA Club India, which is the link given below in the description box, then you also get an exclusive Union Budget 2021 updates, both in video and downloadable e-notes formats. Please note that in order to avail the video and downloadable e-notes format of the Union Budget 2021, you have to buy the book from the link given below in the description box. So do check out the book and let me know in the comment section below on what you thought of the book. And for more such updates, stay tuned with CA Club India.